Okay, guys. Continuation of the topic, accounting subject, partnership. This time, pag-aralan natin yung dissolution. Okay? Dun sa una nating discussion, okay, ng partnership, na-discuss natin yung formation. Okay? Formation and capital accounts. And then, how to operate the partnership. Okay? Paano dinidivide or ina-allocate yung profit using different ratios. Okay? This time, let us discuss dissolution. Okay? Under this topic, dissolution of a partnership, there are three subtopic, okay? Namely, admission, okay? Admission of a new partner, okay? That is the first one. Then the second one is withdrawal or retirement of a partner. And the last one is incorporation of a partnership. But in this live lecture, okay, I only discuss the two, okay, admission of a new partner and withdrawal, okay, or retirement of a partner. Yung incorporation of a partnership is discussed, okay, kapag ka mag-liquidation tayo. Okay? So, without further ado, let's discuss the solution. Okay? First, let's have admission, okay, of a new partner. In admission in a new partner, okay, there are two, okay, classification of admitting a partner, either by purchase or by investment. Okay, as you can see in the slide, admission by purchase. So that is our first priority to discuss. Okay. Again, admission of a new partner may be admitted to the partnership by purchasing the interest of one or more of the existing partners or by contributing cash or other assets. Okay? And by which meaning of admission by purchase, when a new partner enters the partnership by purchasing the interest of an existing partner, the price paid for that interest is irrelevant, okay, to the partnership accounting records because it is a private or personal transaction between the buyer and seller. The assets and liabilities of the partnership are not affected. The capital account of a new partner is recorded by merely reclassifying the capital account of the old partner. Okay? Meaning, admission by purchase is merely buy and sell of interest. Okay? Interest ni old partner. Okay? Kumbaga, binibenta niya sa admitted partner yung certain interest ratio, okay, para magkaroon ng interest si admitted partner. So, to analyze admission by purchase, let's have this first example problem. Okay? Presented below is the condensed, okay, balance sheet of the partnership of Alon, Bald, and Cannon, who share profits and losses in the ratio of 6:3:1 respectively. Again, pagka ganyan yung profits and losses sharing ratio, ang ibig sabihin yan, naka-arbitrary tayo. Okay? Now, ito yung condensed balance sheet. Okay? Cash, other assets, okay, then liabilities, then capital of the partners. Okay? Next slide. Okay, additional info. The partners agree to sell Don. Okay? Si Don, okay, siya yung admitted partner. Okay? Yung partners, okay, nag-agree daw na bentahan si Don ng 20%, okay, of their respective capital, okay, and profit and loss interests for a total payment of 90,000. Okay? Sa admission by purchase, okay, ang tanging nire-record mo lang is yung transfer, okay, dong percentage dun sa interest or sa capital interest, okay, nung admitted partner. Yung payment, okay, hindi yan makaka-apekto sa cash ng partnership kasi personal transaction siya, okay, ng partners, okay, ng old partners sa admitted partner. So ang tanging magiging journal entry, if ever, is yung transaction, okay, ni buyer or ni old partner and ni new partner. Okay? So, question, okay? The capital balance of Alon, Bulb, and Canon respectively after admission of Don. Okay? To compute, okay, just simply know, okay, the remaining, okay, remaining interest, okay, interest ratio of a old partner. Kasi yung 20% is particularly kay new partner na yan. Okay? So, para malaman mo, okay, by admission by purchase, para malaman mo yung capital balance after the admission of a new partner, okay, just simply multiply the remaining interest ratio. Okay? So, if 20% was to be sold to Don, the 80% will be the interest ratio of the old partners. Okay? And by computing, okay, like this, okay, partner Alon, partner Bond, okay, Bulb, and Canon. Okay? Yung 80%, okay, yan yung sinasabi kong remaining. Okay? Remaining interest ratio. Okay? So, yan yung gagamitin mo, okay, na multiplier para makuha mo yung capital balance of old partners after admission of a new partner. Okay? Ganun lang siya simple. Okay? So, next problem. Example problem number 2. Sana and Mina, okay, contributed 24,000 and 48,000 respectively to form a partnership and agree to have a profit and loss sharing ratio of their original capital contributions. Okay, take note. Original capital contribution. So, yung division of profits, okay, is pertaining to capital contributions ratio. Okay? Based on their original capital contributions. Okay? So, kung maghahati sila ng profit, ang gagamitin nilang ratio is yung original capital nila or original initial investment nila sa partnership. Okay? During the first year of operations, they made a profit of 16,290. Okay? Sana and Mina withdraw, okay, 5,050 and 8,000. respectively. At the start of the following year, they agreed to admit Dayun into the partnership. He was to receive a 1/4, okay, interest in the capital and profits upon payment of 30,000. Okay? To Sana and Mina, okay, whose capital accounts were to be reduced, okay, by transfers to Dayun's capital account of amounts sufficient to bring them back to their original capital ratio. Okay? Now, question, how should, okay, the 30,000 paid by Dayun be divided between Sana and Mina? Okay? Let's go back first to, okay, si Dayun, okay, is magkakaroon siya ng 1/4 interest in the partnership by paying the partners 30,000. Okay? Then, yung capital ni Sana and ni Mina, okay, will be reduced. Okay? And ano pa bang sufficient, okay? Kumbaga, ibabalik mo sa original capital ratio. Okay? So, let's compute, okay, how to get back to original capital ratio. It's like this, okay? First, you need to compute first, okay, yung capital balance before admission. Okay? Yan. Capital balances before net income. Okay? Meaning, capital balances before net income is the original. Okay? Original capital contribution of old partners. Take note, old partners. Okay? Now, division of net income. Okay? 24 is to 48. Yan yung original capital ratio. Okay? So, to allocate the 16,290, okay, you simply multiply by the fraction, okay, of 24 over 72 and 48 over 72. Okay? So, 16,290 times 24, okay, over 72 is equals to 5,430. Okay? Sorry, hindi ko na-indicate yung ano pala, yung partners. Okay? By the way, yung 24,000, okay, is for Sana. Okay? Kay Sana yung 24,000. And then, yung 48 kay Mina. Okay? And then, yung 72,000, okay, is the total. Okay? Kumbaga, yung nasa third line, okay, yan lang yung totals. Okay? But for the two lines, okay, two columns is for the old partners, which is si Sana and si Mina. Okay? Again, kay Sana, allocated net income is, or share niya sa net income of 16,290 is 5,430. While kay Mina, okay, 16,290 times 48 over 72. Okay? Now, share ni Mina, okay, share ni Mina sa net income is 10,860. Okay? Pagka tinotal mo yung dalawa, okay, total is 16,290, which is the reported net income or given income in the problem. Okay? Tapos, less mo yung drawings. Okay? By the way, net income and drawings are the adjustments for capital account. Okay? Para hindi ka malito, okay, sa pag-compute ng capital, tandaan mo lang yung procedure kung paano ba nagko-compute ng changes, okay? changes in equity or owner's equity. Okay? From the beginning balance, okay, beginning capital balance, add mo yung additional investment, okay, and net income, if net income, and then deduct mo naman yung drawings, and then kung net loss, okay, deduct mo yung net loss, okay, then magiging ang makukuha mo doon is yung ending capital balance. Okay? So, sa drawings, okay, as stated in the problem, 5,000, 5,050 kay Sana. And then, kay Mina, okay, is 8,000. Yun yung withdrawals nila or drawings. Okay, so, if you add the two, okay, you will have the total of 13,050. Okay, so, get the balance, okay, before admission of Dayun, okay. The capital balance of all partners for Sana is 24,380. Well, Mina, okay, 50,860, okay. Now, the total old partners capital is 75, okay, 240, okay. So, next computation. I hope malinaw sa inyo yung computation of old partners capital balance total, okay? And then yung allocation of or computation of balances before admission. Okay? So, next computation is yung gain, okay? Gain sa pagbenta ng interest, okay? Yung amount paid, okay, is 30,000, okay? By the way, okay, yung makukompute mong total before admission was the book value, okay? Book value of interest acquired, okay? So, dyan mo kukunin yung 1/4, okay? Yung 1/4 interest na ibinenta, okay, ng old partner sa new partner, okay? So, yung 18,810 na yan, yan yung interest, okay? Interest in the partnership of Dayun, okay? So, yung gain, okay, gain of Sana and Mina from the total payment, okay, is 11, okay, 11,190. Kumbaga yung gain bonus, okay, bonus to all partners, okay. Pagka naman mas malaki yung or sinabing loss of old partner, meaning bonus to new partner, okay. So, this is now the computation for allocation of payment, okay. Therefore, the 30,000 cash will be allocated as follows. Okay, so yan, capital balances before admission, okay, na-compute na natin yan. Yan yung first natin na kinompute, okay. Then, yung required capital balances, okay. Dito sa required capital balances, okay, like what I said, okay, yung balance, okay, ng old partners. Kasi yung 18,810 is the capital balance of or interest na siya ni Dayun, yung new admitted partner. Okay? So, yung difference, okay, ng total interest na 75,240, then less mo yung interest ni Dayun or yung new admitted partner, okay? Yung difference is 56. Okay? 56,430. And yan yung i-allocate mo sa old partners. Okay? Para makuha mo yung transfer of capital. Okay? Needed to bring back to original capital ratio kasi kailangan mong ibalik. Okay? Sa original capital ratio ng old partners. Okay? So, pagka nakuha mo na yung amount for Sana and Mina, okay, which is allocated by the amount of 56,430, okay, and to get the 18,810 for Sana and 37,620 for Mina, okay, use the P&L ratio or the original, okay, capital contributions ratio. Okay, so 56,430, okay, times 24 divided by 72. You will get 18,000, okay, 810. And then ganun din kay Mina, okay, 56,430 times 48 divided by 72, you will get 37,620. Okay? Okay, so nakuha na natin yung required capital balances of all partners. So, ilas natin siya doon sa capital balances before admission para makuha natin yung transfer of capital, okay? Needed to bring back to original capital ratio, okay? So, yung na-compute mo kanina, okay, na 18,810, ang sabi ko nga kay Dayo na yun, yan yung 1/4, okay? Interest of the partnership. Okay, so to allocate that, okay, to all partners, use again the P&L ratio, 2448, okay? Then you will get 5,574 Sana and 13,244 for Mina. Okay? Then, yung gain na nakuha nila is you need to add back, okay? So, yung gain na nakuha nila is amounted to 11,190. Okay? So, i-allocate mo lang ulit using the P&L ratio of 24:48. Okay? So, for Sana, okay, 3,730. Okay? While for Mina is 7,460. Okay? And then, you will get the required in the problem, distribution of payment, okay, or allocation of payment to all partners, okay. So once na nakuha mo na, okay, yung transfer of capital needed to bring back to original capital ratio, and then add mo lang yung gain, okay, then you will get for Sana 9,300. Okay, and then for Mina, 20,700. So, the total payment of the new admitted partner is 30,000. So, ganyan, pinaghatian ni Sana and Mina yung binayad na 30,000. Okay? So, yun po ang admission by purchase. Okay? Punta po tayo sa pangalawang classification of admitting a partner. Okay? Admission by investment. Okay? Dito naman po, admission by investment, okay? Admission by investment, a new partner may be granted an interest in the partnership in exchange for contributed assets and or goodwill. For example, business expertise, an established clientele, etc. Okay? The admission of the new partner and contribution of assets may be recorded on the basis of the bonus method. Okay? So, sa pag-record, okay, by investment, we need to use, okay, or basis of recording assets contribution, bonus method. So, sa admission by investment, dito na po pumapasok yung mga tinatanong nyong revaluation. Okay? Revaluation of assets. Okay? Bonus method. Okay? What is bonus method? This bonus is based upon the historical cost principle. Okay? Admittance of a new partner involves debiting cash or other assets for the fair market value of the assets contributed and crediting the new partner's capital for the agreed, okay, percentage of total capital. Total capital equals the book value of the net assets prior to admittance of the new partner plus the fair market value of the assets contributed by the new partner. Okay? Difference, okay, between the fair market value of the assets contributed and the interest granted to the new partner results in the recognition of a bonus. Okay, sa pag-recognize ng bonus, okay, meron po tayong tatlo, okay, na dapat i-determine. Okay, first is yung bonus granted to the old partners. Okay, pagka ganun yung scenario, okay, when the fair market value of the assets contributed by an incoming partner exceeds the amount of ownership interest to be credited to his capital account, the old partners recognize a bonus equal to this excess. This bonus is allocated on the basis of the same ratio used for income allocation, unless otherwise specified in the partnership agreement. Okay? Recording involves crediting the old partner's capital accounts by the allocated amounts. Okay? So, yun po ang bonus granted to the old partners. Okay? Ang key term, okay, for bonus granted to the old partners, okay, tandaan nyo lang po yung salitang when the fair market value of the assets contributed, okay, by an incoming partner, okay, exceeds the amount of ownership interest to be credited to his capital account. Okay? Next is bonus granted to new partner. Okay? Ito naman po, okay, an incoming partner may contribute assets having a fair market value smaller than, okay, smaller than the partnership interest granted to that new partner. Okay? Similarly, the new partner may not contribute any assets at all. The incoming partner is therefore presumed to contribute an intangible asset such as managerial expertise or personal business reputation. In this case, a bonus is granted to the new partner and the capital accounts of the old partner are reduced on the basis of their profit and loss ratio. Okay? So, bonus granted to new partner, meaning parang ano siya, sa formation yung industrial partner. Okay? So, yung pangatlo is yung equal. Okay? No bonus recognized. When an incoming partner's capital account, okay, is to be equal to his purchase price, the partnership books merely debit cash or other assets and credit capital. Okay? By the way, meron pang isang method. Okay? Yung tinatawag na goodwill. Okay? Goodwill method. In PFRS 3, okay? Goodwill represents the excess of the cost of the business combination. Okay, take note, business combination will be discussed further in advanced accounting. Okay? Over the fair value of the identifiable net assets obtained. Therefore, the standard provides that goodwill attaches only to a business as a whole and is recognized only when a business is acquired. This provision of PFRS 3 outlawed the use of the goodwill method in partnership accounting, particularly admission and retirement of a partner, because there is no business involved. Okay? The term business is defined in the standard. Okay? An integrated set of activities and assets conducted and managed for the purpose of providing a return to investor or lower costs or other economic benefits directly and proportionately to policyholders or participants. Okay? A business generally consists of inputs, processes applied to those inputs, and resulting outputs that are or will be used to generate revenues. If goodwill is present in a transferred set of activities and assets, the transferred set shall be presumed to be a business. Okay? So, by means of that, let's have a example problem. Okay? Example problem number 1. Okay. By the way, continuation siya nung problem number 1 natin. Okay? Ng admission by purchase. Etong sa admission by investment, okay? Parehas pa rin ng setup dun sa, kaya lang, this time, by investment. Yung by investment, yung pag-allocate ng bonus. Okay? Assuming that revaluation of asset, okay, is to be recorded prior to the acquisition by Don. Okay? If we go back, okay? If we go back to problem number 1, okay? By purchase, okay? This is what we have, okay? The partners agree, okay? That's how we compute for admission by purchase. Okay? Now, by admission by investment, okay? The info for that specific discussion, assuming that revaluation of asset is to be recorded prior to the acquisition by Don. Okay? Question: the capitals of Alon, Bald, and Canon, respectively, after admission of Don. Okay? So, the computation, okay, for admission by investment under the problem number 1 of admission by purchase computed as follows. Okay? Amount paid, okay, is 90,000. Okay? Based on admission by purchase problem. Okay? Less book value of interest acquired. Okay? Take note, to compute book value of interest acquired, admission by investment, okay, you simply add the capital balances of all partners, then multiply by selling interest. Okay, so this time the amount of capital balances of Alon, Bald, and Canon was 252,000 for Alon, 126,000 for Bald, and 42,000 for Canon. Okay? Add that 3, then multiply by 20%. Okay? Acquired by Don. Okay? The new admitted partner. Okay? So, pagka nakuha mo yung 20% nung total book value of interest of a old partner, ilas mo siya dun sa amount paid. Okay? Dun sa binayad ni admitted partner. Okay? So, the amount paid of admitted partner is 90,000. Then, the acquired interest from the book value is 84,000. So, meron kang excess of 6,000. Okay? And then, to get the goodwill, okay, you simply divide the excess to purchase interest, okay, of 20%. Okay? So, divide mo yung 6,000, yung excess, by 20%, you will get the goodwill of 30,000. Okay? And the 30,000 will be allocated to old partners. Okay? To get their capital balances after the admission of Don. Okay? So, for Alon, 252,000 plus the allocated 60% of 30,000. Okay? And then, multiply by the remaining interest, okay, of 80%. So, for Alon, okay, 216,000 after the admission of Don. That is Alon's capital balance. Okay? Bald, 126,000. Okay? Plus the allocated goodwill. Okay? Times 80%. Okay? Then, Bald will have 108,000. Okay? Then, Canon. Okay? Same procedure to the two old partners. Okay? Then, the capital, okay, or capital balance of Canon after admission of Don is 36,000. Okay? So, that's how you compute, okay, the revaluation of asset. Let's have another, or the last one, for this admission by investment. Okay? Okay. Last problem, okay, for admission by investment. Sasuke and Itachi are partners who share profits and losses in the ratio of 7:3. Again, arbitrary ratio. Okay? On October 1, 2020, their respective capital accounts were as follows. Okay? Sasuke and Itachi's capital account. Okay? For Sasuke, 35,000. For Itachi is 30,000. Total contributed capital is 65,000. Okay? Additional info on that date, the partners, okay, agreed. Naumit ko yung salitang partner, sorry. On that date, the partners agreed to admit Naruto as a partner with a 1/3 interest in the capital and profits and losses. And upon his investment of 25,000, take note, Naruto invested 25,000. Okay? The new partnership will begin with a total capital yung 90,000, okay, that was a total contributed capital. Okay? Yung investment of 25,000 is the investment of admitted partner. Okay? So, question, immediately after the admission of Naruto, what are the capital balance of Sasuke, Itachi, and Naruto? Okay? Respectively. Okay? To compute after the admission of Naruto, this. Okay? So, in this table, I show you how to compute, okay, total agreed capital. Okay? Given na sa atin, okay, yung total contributed capital. Okay? Yung 65,000 na yan is yung total contributed capital ni Sasuke at ni Itachi. Okay? So, sa new partner, yung investment niya is 25,000. So, yan. total contributed capital, okay, or contributed capital ni Naruto is 25,000. So, yun yung pumasok sa partnership books. Okay? So, para ma-compute mo yung total agreed capital, you simply, okay, allocate the 90,000 total contributed capital. Okay? Para malaman mo kung sino bang nagbigay ng bonus. Okay? Ang tawag sa table na to is asset revaluation. Okay? Dito, dinedetermine mo kung sino yung makakatanggap ng bonus at kung sino yung nagbigay ng bonus. Okay? So, old partners kasi 'di ba, 1/3 interest in the partnership si Naruto. So, new partner have a 1/3 interest. Okay? So, kung nag-invest si Naruto ng 25,000, okay? And the agreed agreed capital of Naruto, okay, is 90,000. Okay, total contributed capital is, by the way, total contributed capital is equal to total agreed capital. Okay? So, 90,000 times 1/3. Okay, so 30,000. Kaya, naging 30,000 yung total agreed capital ni new partner or ni Naruto. Okay? So, in computing, okay, total agreed capital of Naruto, as you can see, okay, Naruto accepts the bonus, meaning old partners give Naruto a bonus. Okay? So, how to get 60,000? Simply, 90,000, okay? 90,000 times 2/3, okay? So, we'll give you 60,000. Now, the difference, okay, in this other column, like term difference, yan yung bonus given, okay? Bonus given to new partner, which is si Naruto. Okay? So, to compute the share of Sasuke and Itachi, yung binigay nila, okay? And to compute, okay, the balances of Sasuke and Itachi after admission of Naruto. Okay? So, yung difference is nagbigay si Sasuke and Itachi ng total of 5,000 bonus kay Naruto. So, hatiin yon by their profit loss ratio, okay, of 70-30. Okay, so yung contributed capital ni Sasuke before admission of Naruto is 35,000 and kay Itachi is 30. Okay, so yung 70% ng 5,000, okay, 5,000 times 0.7 is 3,500. So, yung 3,500 na yon is ililess mo sa capital, contributed capital ni Sasuke para makuha mo yung 31,500. Okay? Now, yung 31,500 na yan, ayan na yung capital balance ni Sasuke after the admission of Naruto. Okay? And then, ganun din kay Itachi. Okay? 30,000. Okay? Less 1,500. Okay? Saan nanggaling yung 1,500? Okay? 5,000 bonus given to Naruto multiply by 30,000, 30% will give you 1,500. Then yung 1,500 ililess mo lang din sa contributed capital ni Itachi. Okay? So, the balance of Itachi after the admission of Naruto is 28,500. Now, yung Agreed capital naman ni Naruto is 30,000. Simply, okay, multiply the total contributed capital of 90,000 to his interest, okay, of 1/3. So, the 31,500, 28,500, and 30,000, that is the total agreed capital, okay, of the partners. Okay? So, yun po ang admission by investment. Okay? So, let's proceed now to naghang siya. Naka. Sorry. Okay. Withdrawal or retirement of a partner. Okay? Naglalag ang aking laptop. Pasensya na. Okay, withdrawal of a partner or retirement of a partner. Admission of a new partner is not the only manner by which a partnership can undergo a change in composition. Over the life of any partnership, partners may leave the organization. Thus, some method of establishing an equitable settlement of the withdrawing partner's interest in the business property is necessary. Okay? For a partner to withdraw or retire from the partnership, the total interest of a partner should be properly determined, which includes the following. Okay? Share in the profit and loss of the partnership, adjustments in assets and liabilities to reflect fair market values, loans to and from partnership, drawing accounts, and capital interest accounts. Okay? Withdrawal or retirement from the partnership, okay, may either be, okay, selling, okay, of an interest to an outsider. Okay? This is similar to admission by purchase. Okay? Selling of an interest to an existing partner. The interest of the retiring partner, the interest of the retiring partner will be purchased, okay, with the personal assets of existing partners rather than with the assets of the partnership. Okay? Selling of an interest to the partnership, payment from partnership fund. Okay? Under this approach, the withdrawal of a partner may be treated as payment at book value, payment at less than book value, okay, or payment at more than book value. Okay? Yung payment at less than or more than book value is a bonus method. Okay? So, without further ado, let's have example number 1 of this discussion. Okay? Sealed, Blaster, and Badjaw were partners with capital balances as of January 1, 2020 of 20,000, 30,000, and 40,000 respectively, sharing profit and losses on a 5:3:2 ratio. Okay? Additional info. Okay? On July 1, 2020, Zild withdraw from the partnership. Partners agreed that at the time of withdrawal, certain inventories had to be revalued. Okay? Asset revaluation. Okay? at 14,000 from its cost of 10,000. Okay? For the 6-month period ending June 30, 2020, the partnership generated a net income of 28,000. Further, partners agreed to 39,000, okay, for his interest, and that the remaining partners' capital accounts will be adjusted for whatever goodwill, okay, the settlement will generate. Okay? Now, let's proceed to the question. Okay? The payment of sealed. Okay? Kasi si sealed yung retiring partner or withdrawal partner. Okay? Included a goodwill of. Okay, so let's have this computation. Okay? First, let's compute for the book value interest of sealed. Okay? Capital of sealed is 20,000. Okay? Now, let's have the adjustments for to get the book value interest of sealed. Okay? Share in adjustment. Okay? Adjustment of asset or share in asset revaluation. Okay? And then, share in net income. Okay? Yung share in asset revaluation and share in net income will be added to his account, capital account. Okay? To get the book value interest of sealed. Okay? Now, to get this share in asset revaluation, 14,000 minus 10,000, okay? Then 50%, okay? Kasi ang profit sharing nila is 5:3:2, meaning 50%, 30%, and 20%. Okay? Now, yung 50%, si sealed yung 50%. So, multiply by the profit loss ratio of 50%. So, the 4,000 total asset revaluation, okay, the share of yield to that asset revaluation is 2,000. Okay? Then for the net income, share ni yield, okay, the retiring partner, is 14,000. Okay? So, after you get the amounts of the adjustments for the capital to get the book value interest of yield, you simply add, okay, to his contributed capital of 20,000. So, the net adjustment is 16,000. So, add that to 20,000 to get the book value interest of yield of 36,000. And that 36,000 of the book of the interest of yield, yan yung gagamitin mong pang-deduct, okay, sa amount na ibabayad sa kanya para makuha mo yung amount of goodwill na matatanggap niya. Okay? So, amount paid to seal is 39,000. Okay? Less the book value computed. Okay? 36,000. So, the goodwill, okay, that will receive by Zild was 3,000. Okay? Now, the journal entry, okay, journal entries to record payment to Zild, okay, okay, debit Zild capital of 36,000, yan yung book value, okay, then, the goodwill, okay, then, cash, okay, debit Zild capital of 36,000, debit goodwill of 3,000, then, credit cash of 39,000. Credit cash, okay, kasi binayaran mo yung withdrawing partner. Okay? So, yun. Next. Okay? Last problem. Okay? Before we end this dissolution discussion. the condensed balance sheet of the partnership of Ana, Lorna, and Fe with corresponding profit and loss sharing percentage as of June 30, 2020 as follows. Okay? This is the balance sheet, okay, of our Ana, Lorna, and Fe. Okay? Net assets, 480. Okay? 480, okay? After you deduct assets and liabilities. Okay? So, the capitals of Ana, Lorna, and Fe, to Ana, 240. To Lorna, 144 o 144,000. And to Fe is 96,000. Okay? Additional info. As of said date, Ana retired. Okay? Si Ana yung magre-retire. Okay? Ana retired from the partnership. By mutual agreement, he was paid 270,000 for her interest in the partnership. Partial goodwill or revaluation of assets was to be recorded. Okay? Now, let's compute. Okay, first, what is the question or required? After Ana's retirement, okay, the total net assets of the partnership, okay, meaning total net assets of the remaining partners. Okay? First, let's compute the book value interest of Ana. Okay? Net assets before retirement. Okay? Ito yung total net assets. Okay? Total contributed. Okay? Capital of 480,000. Partial goodwill, okay, will be discussed later after this computation. Okay? Cash paid, okay, yan yung stated sa problem. 270 daw yung ibabayad kay Ana. Okay? Then, book value interest of Ana is 240. Okay? So, ito, yung computation ng goodwill na 30,000. Okay? Amount paid is 270. Okay? Consideration given. Kumbaga sa business combination. Okay? Less book value of Ana, 240,000. Okay? And then, partial goodwill is 30,000. Okay? Now, to record the journal entries of retirement of Ana, okay? Debit her capital, Ana capital of 240, book value, okay? Book value of interest of Ana, and then goodwill, debit goodwill of 30,000, and then the payment to Ana of 270,000. Okay? Now, dito ko na po tinatapos ang discussion for dissolution. Okay? On Wednesday, let's have discuss liquidation. Okay? Para makompleto na natin yung partnership. Okay? Para pupunta na tayo sa cost accounting. Okay? So, yun lang. See you on Wednesday for liquidation, partnership liquidation. Thank you for listening. God bless.